In Millennials and Money today, a new Money Under 35 national survey reveals a powerful picture on the benefits of getting a college degree. Sarah Ducich joins us now with the details, and Sarah is an expert on how to finance higher education. She's also a senior vice president for public policy at Navient and previously worked for the Senate Budget Committee and Office of Management and Budget. Sarah, thank you for being here.
Well, thank you, Angie. I'm so happy to be here.
Many people fear the cost of college, but what did you learn from this new Navient survey?
Well, this is the second annual report that Navient has conducted in partnership with the global research firm Ipsos. And the good news that we see is an improved financial picture for young adults. We see a much higher level of financial health than we saw last year. 83% of young adults fall in the good or excellent financial health range. And we see an improvement in terms of employment, income, and this overall financial health. Unfortunately, we're not seeing these big gains in every single education level. Overwhelmingly, this improved financial picture is being felt by those who have a college degree. Those who do not have a college degree are not seeing an improvement in the financial health.
A new report suggests the average grad is roughly $30,000 in debt from going to college. So people are asking, is higher education worth the money?
There is a huge difference, and we asked young adults whether they thought college was a worthwhile investment, and those that got their bachelor's degree or higher really overwhelmingly agree with that statement. 85% say their college was a worthwhile investment.
What are some tips on making college more affordable?
They need to work with whoever is managing their loans, helping them service their loans. Give them a call, because there are plans that will help them manage their debt, lower their monthly payment, so they can afford to work with their to pay their student loans. So really, what our message is even if you didn't finish your degree and you borrowed and you're struggling with those loans, it's really important to contact your servicer and to talk to them about the options that are available to them.
What does the Navient survey show about earnings?
You know, if you had asked me when I was a young adult whether I thought there'd still be a gender gap when my daughters are entering the workforce, I would have said no way. But here we are, 2016, and there is a huge difference between how much young men and how much young women make. $30,000 difference. Most of that is due to difference in in their field of study and where they're working. Young men are far more likely to be in the STEM fields, the science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, those hard sciences that pay a lot more. But even if we narrow it just to those fields and we compare young men and young women still lag behind. Not as much. The gap is narrower, 94 cents on the dollar.
We often hear about millennials who get college degrees and wind up living in their parents' basements. Any insights on that situation?
Those who don't have their degree, this economy is really leaving them behind. And the ones that are where the real crisis is where those young people who have gone to college, borrowed for that college, and not finished, those young people are really struggling. 2/3 of them tell us that they're having trouble paying their bills. So that's where we really need to focus, is what can we do to help those individuals really get the payout from their college experience and finish their degrees.
Sarah, thank you again for coming on our show.
Well, thank you, Angie. It's my pleasure to be here today.